What is going on, FX family? Pedro here with another video. No! As you can see, this is the beautiful background I have on my desktop. This is actually the resort that me and my beautiful fiance are looking at getting married. So yeah. Anyways, before we get started with this video, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
You got it, dude.
Comment below, love to hear from you guys. And yeah, let's get started with this video. Also, don't forget to watch till the end.
Okay.
I do go over all my strategies and go over everything with detail, so make sure you don't miss out and watch till the end. Thanks so much for watching, and let's get started with this video.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the procedure, everyone?
All right, everybody, let's get started. This is kind of where all the magic happens.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
For those of you that don't know, so this is TradingView, best platform online available.
Really?
For anyone that's starting out on trading. And so yeah, so basically I want to show you guys before we begin kind of what pairs I usually trade and kind of what I'm looking at as well. So these little short forms mean basically the currency pairs, right? So it's comparing the US dollar against the Japanese yen, and so this short form stands for the British pound against the Japanese yen. So that's what that is. I just wanted to show that to you guys, especially for those that don't know and are just starting out. So right now we're looking at the 4-hour chart, and again, for those of you that are new, basically each candle represents 4 hours. You know, each different time frame, as you can see here on the top, basically it represents each different time frame basically. We are looking right now at the 4-hour. So if we go down to the 1 hour, each candle that we see here represents 1 hour of movement. And so yeah, so like I was telling you guys, right now we are looking at USD/JPY, so the US dollar against the Japanese yen, and we are looking at, guys, as it is a head and shoulders pattern. This is kind of what I'm looking at. And price has kind of been stalling, so I'm seeing weakness. The bears are kind of the bears are kicking in, and the bulls are kind of slowing down. So I could expect price to come back up, potentially form some sort of double top, and that would be a very strong indication that price is going to turn around and start going back down. With that being said, if we go down to the 1 hour, guys, we can always get a little bit clearer view as to, we look at the 4 hours to get the idea of the direction of the market and kind of where price is heading. But once we kind of dive into the smaller time frames, we can kind of get a much more clear view as to where we can place our trades. And so yeah, like potentially, guys, what I'm seeing here is price has been trending. You see the higher highs, higher lows, and we're seeing that nice upwards trend. But now we're seeing price kind of it's kind of failing to create this higher high. So it's failing to push higher, right? Like I said, we could see another push up and potentially form a double top at this area here. But to me, it seems like it's very weak. You can see the moving averages coiling up, and it's kind of starting to die off, right? So that bullish momentum is starting to die off, which indicates to me that price is most likely going to do a bigger move. What could that move be? It could be to the upside, continuation, but also to the downside. Obviously, you know how trading works. Trading is all about probabilities, right? Nothing's guaranteed. Otherwise, we'd all be rich. But with that being said, we can definitely, with the technical analysis is what we're doing right now, we can get a good idea as to what the market or price is going to do. And so, yeah, guys, like I'm seeing that. And so potentially if we do see a nice strong momentum over here on this last push, we did see that strong momentum. So we're seeing kind of price form some sort of like, wedge. And so to me, this indicates that price could potentially come down, and then we should just wait for the retest and then potentially get back in. So this is a trade that I am looking at on USD JPY, guys. And yeah. All right, guys, just wanted to give you another quick outlook on gold. So with gold, what I'm looking at right now is potentially price has breaking previous highs over here. So you could see that price did break this high. We saw that nice momentum. Price did pull back, and now it's kind of forming this sort of consolidation. What I need to see is price push up between these areas, this key level over here. And obviously we did see that rejection, so it does look like it's forming like a double top on the daily actually. And so if we go down to the 4 hour, we could see that price is definitely consolidating at this moment. So yeah, basically I'm out of gold for now. I know that we did have some pretty good setups this morning. So yeah, just wanted to give you guys an update. So yeah, that's gold for now, and I'll keep you guys in the loop. And last but not least, guys, US 30. So with US 30, guys, I've been on the 4 hour. You could see that nice strong push. We've been seeing that nice, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, and now price is kind of stalling. So to me, this is indicating that either price could push up potentially and continue to the upside. But to me, usually when price starts consolidating, it could go both ways, right? But at this point, to me, it seems like price has been exhausted. Obviously you can usually tell when price is trending. But right now, we might see some sort of short-term pullback, potentially to these highs over here. Yeah, so right now, like I said, right now we're just looking at, kind of just waiting out and seeing what price does and seeing if it does break out to the upside, or if it does pull back down. So I'll keep you guys posted with this. And that is all for our Tuesday updates. And yeah, guys, thanks so much. It is 9:18 p.m. Woo! Tuesday. Now I'm just gonna sit back, relax, wake up 5 a.m. tomorrow, and get on with my trading. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, comment below. Always love hearing from you guys. If you have any questions or you want me to post any future videos, please comment below. I will definitely be responding to you guys. Thanks so much, and catch you later. Bye for now.